Orangutan Mother, a story of love, patience, and survival. The most dedicated mothers in the world. High in the rainforest, an orangutan mother moves through the trees. Her long arms reach from branch to branch. A small baby holds tightly to her body. Wherever the mother goes, her baby goes with her. Orangutans are great apes. They live in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra in southern Asia. The name orangutan means person of the forest. They spend most of their lives high in the trees. A mother who often lives alone. Unlike many other apes, adult female orangutans usually live mostly alone, except when they are raising their young. For an orangutan mother, this means something extraordinary. She may spend years traveling through the forest with only her child beside her. She must find food, travel safely, build nests, and care for her baby. An orangutan mother usually gives birth to one baby. The newborn is small and helpless. It cannot travel through the forest alone. From its first days, its life depends on its mother. The baby holds tightly to its mother's body. It uses its hands and feet to hold her hair. For the first month of life, the baby is almost always touching its mother. The mother carries her baby everywhere. She climbs high trees with the baby against her body. She crosses branches and searches for food. The baby travels wherever she travels. The baby is hungry. The mother feeds it. When danger is near, she protects it. When the baby needs to move, she carries it. For the young orangutan, its mother is food, safety, and transportation. Every evening, the mother prepares a place to sleep. High in a tree, she bends and breaks branches. She adds smaller branches and soft leaves. Slowly, she makes a nest. Orangutans often build a new sleeping nest. The mother may repeat this work again and again. Her baby sleeps close beside her, safe above the forest ground. Morning comes and their journey begins again. The mother must find food. Orangutans mostly eat fruit, but fruit is not always easy to find. Different trees produce fruit at different times. The mother must remember where food grows. She must also remember when the fruit will be ready to eat. The baby watches everything its mother does. It watches her choose fruit. It sees which leaves she eats and which foods she leaves alone. Slowly, the baby begins to learn. The mother does not use books or words to teach her child. The baby learns by staying close, watching, and copying. Day after day, the forest becomes its classroom. The baby also learns how to move through the trees. It watches its mother's hands and feet. It learns which branches are strong and which branches may be dangerous. Building a nest is another important lesson. The young orangutan watches its mother choose branches. It watches her bend them and place leaves on top. One day, the child must build its own bed. As the young orangutan grows, it begins to explore. At first, it moves only a short distance from its mother. It climbs a nearby branch and then returns to her. Slowly, the child becomes braver. It travels a little further. It finds some food by itself. But its mother is still close, and the young orangutan continues to watch her. Years pass, but the child does not quickly leave its mother. A young orangutan may stay with its mother for about 7 to 9 years. This is an extraordinarily long childhood. During these years, the mother gives much of her life to one child. She carries it when it's young, she feeds it, she protects it. Most importantly, she teaches it how to survive. Orangutan mothers have babies very slowly. A mother may wait 7 to 9 years or even longer between birth. Few mammals spend so many years raising one child before having another. This makes the relationship between mother and child extraordinary. For many years, the young orangutan learns the forest through its mother's experience. Her knowledge slowly becomes its knowledge.
Echo of intro idea, and soft and open.
Then, one day, the young orangutan is ready. It can find food, it can travel through the trees, it can build a nest. The child begins a more independent life. But orangutan mothers and their children are in danger. Forests are destroyed for roads, farms, mines, and plantations. Mothers are sometimes killed and babies are taken for the illegal wildlife trade. When a baby loses its mother, it also loses its most important teacher. For 7, 8, or even 9 years, an orangutan mother may give her strength, time, and knowledge to one child. She carries, she protects, she teaches, and slowly, patiently, she prepares her child for the day when it can move through the forest alone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Great work today, amazing reader. See you in the next lesson. New story, new words, new adventure. Bye-bye.